In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your student account with Commonlit. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and in the address bar type in commonlit.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Commonlit. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be taken to the login portal. Now you have three different options to log in. You can log in using your Google account or your Clever account if you used these while creating your account in the first place. Or you can simply type in your username followed by your password. Then simply click on the submit button and you will be logged into your account with Commonlit. In case you forgot your password, simply click on the forgot your password button at the right side and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Commonlit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.